Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Waitress Academy Dubai Files Episode 2. Today, I will introduce to you, although many of you already know, Harindu, who is one of the faces of the Waitress Academy and is posting some of the tutorials that we post on the Waitress Academy. But today, Harindu will share with you his story because nobody comes to Dubai and goes to the top. You have to start somewhere and build your career and your life step by step. Let's hear what Harindu has to say. This video is provided to you by weberbg.com. Not only WeberBG has created all my websites, but the maintenance and the support they provide is unmatched. If you're looking for a professional with integrity that will build the perfect website and provide support for your business through the years, weberbg.com. The link is in description. Hey guys, we're here with the Harindu. Harindu, of course, many of you already know, is the new face of the Waitress Academy. Of course, that's Junior over there. But anyway, we want to introduce you and just tell something about yourself. What's going on for you in Dubai? What's your plans and how did you end up here? So let's go, my friend.
Okay, hi guys, how are you? I think you already know me because I have been in the Waitress Academy of a few videos with Mr. Nate. And so currently I am living in here in Dubai and I am working over there. I think my hotel is over there. It's the Sofitel Palm Dubai, M Gallery by Sofitel, the Eco brand, under the Eco brand. So and I've been here more than now it's like 2 years. And the first after I came here, I worked at the French restaurant, and after that I thought that I need to move for the hotel industry, and now I am working here. And I got, oh my god, I got awesome experience in here with the hotels and with this culture here in the Dubai and with everything.
Another guy that loves Dubai.
Yeah, I really love Dubai, and also I learned a lot of things from here. Not only from here, I learned a lot of things from the Waitress Academy, and also now I am doing whatever I know. I am sharing with Mr. Nate through the Waitress Academy for all of you waiters. You know one thing here in Dubai, oh my god, you will be surprised if you come here. Here we have a lot of vacancies, but here all properties, all companies need talented individual who can speak English and who has the knowledge regarding the F&B, right? Then if you have that knowledge, then you are the right person who need to come here in Dubai, and you will earn good money and you will have all benefit like transportation, accommodation, foods, and you can save 100% your salary. Honestly, I am saying you can save 100% your salary, and you have a good career growth in here. And
a lot of opportunities.
Yes, not only for the opportunities, and after you take some experience, even you can start your own things and like own business too. Here we have lot of opportunities, and also the government is supporting to all people. That's the good thing. And the other one is here is a tax-free culture. All your salary, whatever you are earning, then 100% tax-free. That is the other good point. Then okay, that's all about me. I think you already know about me. I'm from Sri Lanka, and before I came here I did my own restaurant in Sri Lanka, but unfortunately, regarding the COVID, and after that some economic crisis, I have to close it down. Then
now you're gonna open a restaurant in Dubai, man.
Maybe I am planning.
Absolutely.
Let's see.
Absolutely. So guys, Harindu has his own channels. He has his own page on Facebook and Instagram. He's posting a lot of good things about Dubai, about the hospitality industry. You can follow him, and of course you can watch all his videos that he's posting for the Waitress Academy. We are going to do a lot of those things in the future together. So there you go, man. Listen, Dubai is a place with a lot of opportunities, and you can build a career, you can build a beautiful life. You just need to have the knowledge and the skills, the right knowledge and the skills to do it. Yep, that's it, guys. Stay safe,
Yes.
stay healthy, push, hustle. You gotta take
Yeah.
care of yourself. You can do this with this job. You can live a beautiful life.
Definitely.
All right, my
Okay,
friend.
thank you very much. Okay, I'll see you in a few days more.
In
After
the
few
next
days,
video.
yeah, in the next video, I'll see you. Bye bye.
Ciao. Ciao, guys. Here at the Waitress Academy, we are committed to providing comprehensive professional training that puts waiters on the top 10% of our industry and helps small family-owned restaurants to compete with multi-million-dollar chains by providing excellent, top quality service for their guests.